Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Yapzor. Today I'm going to take you through the Starlight app and give you a review, a genuine review on what the app is about. And after this video, you decide whether to use it or not, or to join or not. And this is the app. It's called Starlight. It's a Ghanaian developed app which helps you to earn money by doing simple tasks such as liking a YouTube video for 50 pesos. That's if you're an ordinary member, or liking a video for 50 cities, or doing some other stuff. So we have the YouTube likes, we have Facebook likes, and others. And when you join the app at first, you are considered as an ordinary member. And with ordinary membership, you can only do three tasks in a day. That means in a day, you can earn maximum of 1 city 50 pesos. That's what you can earn in a day. So you are required to join the VIP. So when you join, if you don't join a VIP, that means it will take eternity to even get the amount that you probably want to withdraw. So joining the VIP will cost you what, 100 cities. So let's say you have to first load your account in order to join. So using whichever platform that you want to use to load. So when you now load, it will give you more tax that you earn about 111 cities or so, or more than that in a month. And with the higher your level, the more tax that they give you. So we have VIP 1 daily tax 3, VIP 2 daily tax 10. So the VIP 1, though the tax is 3, the price is 1 city 10 pesos. The VIP 2, the tax per day is 1.3 and 10. So that means if you register with 300 Ghana cedis, what you're going to earning in a day is 13 cedis. So 13 times 30 will give you 390 cedis. So that means with the app, if you join with 300 cedis, you'll be getting 390 cedis in a day, which requires that every day you are supposed to be on the app performing an activity on the show. You'll be active on the app every day for 30 days and you'll be getting 90 cedis as profit on your 300 Ghana cedis. So that's basically how it works. And the other ones too, the earning, yeah, you may say it's cool enough, but for me it's a bit low. And my first point of contact with the app, what I realized was that the app, I don't see it personally. For me, I wasn't in tune with the app because of the kind of stuff that is there. Because just by liking random YouTube videos or Facebook pages and getting money, that is not what works. Though YouTube is monetized, and people get paid by views and by likes. People may also pay you to like their videos, but 50 pesos for a like, paying someone 50 pesos for a like on a video is something that is very expensive. So what the app is probably doing, or what the company is doing, is that they are rather using your own money to repay you back. So kind of the Ponzi scheme in a different way, that they've put it up in this app. And when you check the membership, I was lucky enough today, they showed finally the app is now on Play Store, and today I got to see the business card. So I was waiting for actually the business. It has now been officially registered in Ghana. So I'll show you their business certificate. So the business certificate says that it is limited. So you can check here. It is limited. Uh, Liability of its members is limited. So you can just check it online right now. After you've invested your money there, you've gone to as far as VIP 5, 3,000 series, and you've invested that there, and the company crashes. None of those who registered the company is liable. It is limited by liability, meaning you cannot sue anyone, and your money is completely gone. Yes, it promises to be good and it promises to be cool, and people are registering. You can also join in because it's in a new stage. You'll probably join in make your money out of it before it crashes or before something else happens, and that may be on your a positive one on your site. So if you're interested in registering, I'll leave a link in the description below for you to register. But for my advice on the app, I see this app to be no for now. I may be negative, yes, but I've given my reasons. One is limited in liability, which means that no one is accountable for the loss made. And two, the earnings. Imagine investing 300 cities and getting 90 cities in return, which also requires that you are supposed to be there for 90 days. It's not an investment. An investment is that you leave the money there and the money works for you for that days. But this app requires that every day you go there to perform tax, meaning that the 90 cities is not even assured, because once you don't go to the app, your 300 cities, you can put your 300 cities there for a month. If you don't go to the app, you're not going to earn anything. And there's one part of the app that says that there is a point that your life after 1 year your registration expires. So if you register 100 cities, after 1 year it expires. So all this one, yes, you may earn in the long run, maybe in 2 or 3 months time you'll be able to earn completely, but for now, and the activities they do, I don't seem to go along with it. So that's my comment on it for now. If you have comments otherwise, or if you think otherwise, we are all learning, and can leave a comment in the below. Sorry, a comment below, or whatever that you wish, you can contact me personally and let's try to find out more about this app. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it to your friends. These are my thoughts, and till I see my other videos, says bye bye. My name is Yapzor, and I'm always there for you. Thank you.